everyone, today we're going to have some fun and show you exactly how to use our website, IsraelDiamond.com, to create your own custom design ring. There are two ways that you can start. One is right in the middle of our homepage. Build your own engagement ring, which you can start with the diamond or the setting. The second option is under engagement rings. Design your own engagement ring. Once again, you can start with the choice of diamond or the setting. Today we're going to start with the center diamond. We're going to go lab grown since that seems to be the most popular. Once you're on this page, you're going to choose your favorite shape. The most popular right now are going to be oval and radiant. However, I'm kind of a round girl, so we're going to start there. You're going to put in the desired carat weight, the perfect color and clarity combination, which if you're not sure, you can always give us a call or stop by anytime. We'll be happy to go over everything with you. So once you've chosen the color and clarity of choice, you'll scroll on down and be able to see multiple choices. You'll be able to see multiple diamonds within the desired category. Once you find a diamond that you'd like to take a look at, go ahead and click on it. Here you'll be able to see a picture and also a nice 3D video. This is a video of the actual diamonds, so no second guessing your choice here because you know exactly what it's going to look like. Once you found your favorite, go ahead and select that lab-grown diamond. Now onto the really fun part, which is the setting. That's going to be the ring that you'd like to put your diamond in. We're going to go ahead and go with something classic like a solitaire. And now we're going to pick our metal type. Yellow gold is gaining a lot of popularity, so let's start there. You'll scroll down, find the perfect design. Isabella is actually a very popular choice. You'll be able to see multiple different angles of the ring, as well as a video. So once again, go ahead and confirm your metal choice, your finger size, and then you can go ahead and select your setting. Of course, at any time while you're doing this, if you have any questions, there is an Ask a Question button. Once you're to your completed ring, you're going to see your diamond, your setting. It'll once again confirm your finger size. Now here's where it gets fun for all you ladies out there who just want to drop a hint to that guy. You can do that right here. And for all those guys out there getting ready to buy the ring, go ahead and add that to the cart. Or ladies buying the ring for yourself or your partner. This will take you to your final summary, which is going to be your ring, your diamond, and of course the labor for our jewelers to go ahead and put that together for you. You can go ahead and agree to our terms and conditions and check out. Once you're in the final checkout phase, you have the option of paying Shop Pay, Google Pay, and we also accept all major credit cards. You'll put in all of your information and go ahead and pay now. Most designs that are in our custom creations will take anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks to make. Of course, if you do need it sooner, please give us a call because we do have options that are available and ready to go. Once again, that is IsraelDiamond.com to choose your favorite custom design. Building your perfect engagement ring is easy with the Israel Diamond website. Start creating your dream ring today.